In this video, we will learn how to manage payroll-related activities using uKnowva's virtual assistant, powered by MCP, in uKnowva HRMS. uKnowva helps employees quickly access salary details, payslips, and payroll information using simple conversational prompts without navigating through multiple menus. To begin, go to the uKnowva agent in your uKnowva HRMS instance. Now let's check your current salary details. In the chat box, simply type, "What are my current salary details?" The AI assistant will instantly fetch and display your current salary information from the payroll system. Next, let's fetch past salary details. Type the prompt, "Fetch my past salary from January 1st, 2020 to April 1st, 2021. The AI assistant will fetch and display your salary details for the selected date range. Now let's see how you can request your payslip using MCP. You can simply ask for your payslip in a natural way, for example, "Show me my payslip for March 2026, and the AI assistant will understand your request and fetch the relevant payslip based on your payroll data. This feature makes payroll access faster and more convenient by allowing employees to retrieve important salary information through natural conversations instead of structured forms. That's it. You now know how to manage payroll-related activities using uKnowva's virtual assistant, powered by MCP. Thank you for watching.